Ever wonder why your homemade latte never tastes quite like the one from your favorite cafe? The secret isn't just the coffee, it's the way you brew, froth, and combine the ingredients. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. A great latte has 3 key components: a well-brewed espresso, properly frothed milk, and the right balance of flavors. You don't need a professional setup, just the right techniques. Let's break it down. Step 1. Choosing and brewing the coffee. Start with fresh, high-quality coffee beans. A medium to dark roast works best for lattes. Grind the beans to a fine consistency, like table salt, if you're using an espresso machine. If you don't have one, I'll show an alternative in a second. Pull a single or double shot of espresso, about 30 milliliters or 1 ounce per shot. No espresso machine? Use a mocha pot, AeroPress, or strong brewed coffee. It won't be exactly the same, but it works. Step 2. Frothing and steaming the milk. Use whole milk for the best texture. If using non-dairy milk, oat milk froths the best. If you have a steam wand, submerge the wand just below the surface of the milk. Start steaming and introduce some air for a second or 2. Then, lower the wand deeper to create smooth microfoam. No steam wand? Use a French press, a hand frother, or shake the milk in a jar and heat it gently. Goal: the milk should be velvety, not too bubbly or too thick. Step 3. Assembling the latte. Pour the espresso into a cup. Swirl the milk to keep it smooth, then gently pour it over the espresso, starting slow and increasing the pour. Try a simple latte art design by controlling your pour speed and movement. Pro tip: if your milk is too foamy, let it settle for a few seconds and tap the pitcher on the counter. And there you have it, the perfect homemade cafe latte. With a little practice, you'll be making cafe quality lattes every day. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to level up your coffee even more, check out my next video. Elevate your coffee experience with simple flavor hacks, where I show easy ways to add unique flavors to your lattes. Happy brewing, and see you next time.